Today's video is for the birds. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here. And when I was recording my update video yesterday, I came across some new merchandise. So I thought I would do a merch search, buy this or maybe that video for you today. And I thought I would start at this retail kiosk that's in CityWalk because it's for the birds. Really, it has the Birds merchandise. You know, the Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds. Merchandise right here. We'll start with this light jacket. It's $90. It has different birds on it, including the words, The Birds. It's a light jacket, kind of like a windbreaker type of jacket, very light. And then for $30, The Birds water bottle. I'll spin it around for you. There it is. I like the color of it, but there you go. Also for $30, a reversible The Birds bucket hat. This is what one side of it looks like, the inside or the outside, I can't tell. Inside, outside. I think it's the outside, maybe it's the inside. But regardless, it reverses to look like this. This is the other way you can wear it. So, there you go, bucket hat lovers, another option for you. Actually, two options for you. That way, or that way. $35 for the Birds umbrella. It's one of those with the hook handle. Right there for you. And at first glance, I have no idea what this is. I need to take a closer look. Well, it just looks like a cloth. And there's no price on it. I don't know what you would do with this. Put it on a table, I guess? I don't know. But it's here for you to buy. And I wish I could tell you the price. None of them has the price on them. So, yeah. Don't know how I feel about this thing. But just a few steps away, some more new merchandise. The Happy Gilmore IP has arrived at Universal Orlando, starting with the shirt here. A black Happy Gilmore shirt for $40. For $30, a Happy Gilmore water bottle or thermos, whatever you want to call it. The top does have a little handle on it like that. That's pretty cool. Here we have a yellow Happy Gilmore hat for $30. Let's just spin it around for you. Oh, look at that. Look at the back there. Okay, well that's unique. Unexpected, didn't expect to see that. But there you go. 30 bucks for the hat. $12 for the shot glass. Has the alligator on it and the golf ball says Happy Gilmore. $60 for the bag. One side of it has Happy Gilmore. The other side of it says Waterbury 1996 Open. The handle's nice. Try to give you an idea of the size of it. There you go. Happy Gilmore merchandise. That's all we have, but it is here. An unexpected find at Universal Orlando. Just a couple more things I want to show you at these kiosks before I head into the theme park. This Bride of Frankenstein bag is $85. Holy moly. Let's see, what is there anything on the other side? Oh, the other side has a pocket. There you go. Little slide in pocket. But there's that. And then I'll show you down here this mug I haven't seen before. Oh, if we can get it off without breaking anything. You break it, you bought it. So there's the mug. Interesting handle. And what's it? Is it little? That's a little like spoon or a little thing to stir whatever you have in your mug. Yeah. Okay. One side is just blank, but we have that side with the picture. Your little stirrer, but $27 for it. And it's not a spoon, is it? Oh, it is a spoon. It is. That is a spoon. Okay. Awesome. $37 for the handbag. One side has the beautifully dramatic Bride of Frankenstein, and the other side, some red lips. I haven't seen these before. Collectible die-cast nano rides. Back to the Future, the 3 time machines there, the 3 DeLoreans from each movie. $20. A one-piece mug, a 3D mug, for $27. $20 for this very large Betty Boop mug. That is one side of the mug. There's the other side of the mug. I hope the copyrighted music isn't coming through. But there you go. A pretty nice large Betty Boop mug. Just to give you your bearings, this is the Universal Studios store in CityWalk, and all the merchandise I showed you was at the kiosks right here in front of the store. Alright, let's go poke around Universal Studios Florida for a moment. They have rearranged the Universal Studios store inside the park. This corner is now for Harry Potter. We'll take a quick look around, show you a thing or two. I will mention that the house robes are now $139. And the scarves that you see the mannequins wearing are $40. The caps are 35 bucks. 30 bucks for the Stein. This is no ordinary mug. It's a Stein. There's a difference. I just looked it up on Google, so I wanted to be sure of myself. It's a Stein. This is the section of the store that was Harry Potter. It's now Marvel and Jurassic Park, but there is one little piece of Harry Potter still left here. The collectible coins machine is still here. But let me show you a few Jurassic Park and Marvel items. Well, this caught my eye. Magnet die cut. You have Spider-Man and the Hulk. These are $12 a piece, by the way. And down here we have Captain America and Iron Man. For $55, here's a Jurassic World sweatshirt or hoodie. Zips up the front. That is the front. I'll show you the graphic on the back. Right there, nice big beautiful T-Rex. It's kind of a, when I say it's lightweight or more of a, well, I think it's like a traditional mid-weight type of hoodie. It's not like super thin or super thick. Okay, let's walk around and pop into a few more shops. I don't know if there's any new merchandise in the 5 and dime, but there's a new window display that looks awesome. I'll do my best to show you it without too much glare, but we do have some glare from the glass of the window. I'll try to, let's see what this, does that help? That's a little bit of it there, showing off the mugs and stuff, and the plush. The back looks like all like a net, and then we have a nice picture. If I can, oh come on, show it. Well, I think you can kind of see that portrait of Gilman, and then a mannequin over here. Oh no, I'm just seeing reflection. But there's a mannequin there wearing some Gilman merchandise. Okay, I tried a little bit of a different technique to show you the portrait or the picture that's in there. I think that's a little better. I think you can see that a little better than before. And gosh dog it, here's another window display for Creature from the Black Lagoon. I think we're picking this up a little better. Let me try to, oh there we go, that's what that's looking like. And oh yes, I think we can see that a lot better than the other thing over there. Pretty cool, right? And Back to the Future also has a window display, and we can see that pretty easily though. In here is the Happy Gilmore stuff, which I already showed you in CityWalk. For $25, a Felix the Cat cartoon baseball cap with the flat bill. A Felix the Cat bag for $50. That's one side. I would call this a bag, not a purse, but maybe it's a purse. There's the other side. So you tell me, is it a bag or is it a purse? And is there a difference? Maybe there's one or two things I can show you inside of the Transformer supply vault. We've seen this before, but in a different store. But it is worth mentioning again. For $60, the Ghostbusters semi-truck Transformer. Oh, talk about a mashup. Love it. For $19.95, this is an exclusive product only at Universal Studios. A Bumblebee Shadow Pulse Blaster. Can only get it at Universal Studios. Here's a t-shirt I've never noticed before. $27. One shall stand, one shall fall t-shirt. 3 more t-shirts I haven't noticed before. This Optimus Prime here, also $27. Transformers 1. Then this one here is also $27. And to round out our $27 t-shirts that I've never seen before or never noticed before. This one here, the Eye. I don't come in this store that often, so new stuff to me, like this backpack here for, let's see, where's the price of this? I think $50 for the Universal Studios backpack. Large backpack. Oh look, there's a black and red version of that backpack I showed you. Of course, also $50, but different color scheme. $70 for the Transformers Nest hoodie. That's the front of it. It's pull over the head. Let's see if there's anything on the back. Let's flip it around. Oh, there is. Oh, look at the inside the hood too. Inside the hood, that's what that looks like. And then Transformers Universal Studios is on the back. The Film Vault has some Back to the Future merchandise I've never seen before. For $70, this blue and white tie-dye Back to the Future sweatshirt. And for $60, the matching sweatpants. There's your outfit right there. I think that's enough merchandise for today. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. See you next time.